Okay, the next question came from Mr. Emmanuel. Ano ba ang ano niya? Andiyan ba siya, partner? Is he connected, si Emmanuel? He's not connected. Anyway, I think he's Emmanuel Gogolin. Apelido niya. Tama ba? So, Emmanuel, this is your question. No? Your question actually, no? You send this, no? Good afternoon po. Tanong ko lang kung bakit ginawang negative yung 10. Well, for our non-Filipino audience, no? He is asking, why is that there is a negative 10 here? Actually, this is a bar angle. Bar angle. Okay? I will solve this question, basically. I will solve this question, this problem. Okay, a voltage of, let's see, here, we're given a voltage impressed across the load consisting of two parallel paths. Okay, I will draw this circuit. There are two parallel paths here. Take a look po. Tingnan po natin. We have the load 1 and the load 2. Then we have here our E. We have an AC source. So, our E is, what is the given there? 120. 120 bar angle, positive 10. Positive 10 degrees. For our, we have here our I1 and we have here our I2. That's already given. Already given. I1 and I2 are already given. Calculate the power delivered to the load. So these are the following watts. Okay. Actually, we can get the value also of the volt ampere and also the K bar, no? The bar. I mean, you can also calculate that. Okay. The question is the power delivered. Okay. This is my solution. This is I total. I total. I will get first our I total. What is our I total? By Kirchhoff current law, I total is equal to I1 plus I2. What is our I1? I1 is 15 bar angle, negative 50 degrees. Okay? Please listen carefully, especially our REE student or BSEE student. This is an electrical engineering board question. Okay? So we have here 8 angle 40 degrees. Angle 40 degrees. So let us calculate this using our calculator, using calculator technique. Put your calculator in mode 2. Well, we are using Casio FX 570 ES Plus. Okay? That's a 570 ES Plus. Okay? Okay? So this calculator. This is actually the second edition. There you are. One. Okay? Gusto nyo bumili. Ito. Okay. So, that should be second edition. Okay? You can also use the FX991 or 570 ES Plus, no? Parehas lang yon. Okay. Put your calculator in mode 2. Then, you press now 15 bar angle. You have to press the shift and then the negative sign para lumabas yung bar angle. So, that is negative 50. Okay. Plus 8 bar angle. 40 degrees. 15 bar angle negative 50 plus 8 bar angle 40, that is equal to, okay, once you press this, okay, then you press shift to 3, okay, mode 2, then you input this value, then you press now shift to 3 in your calculator, okay, shift to 3 equals. So, the answer for I total, it will be 17, this is negative 21, 0.93. 0.93 degrees. Okay? 0.93 degrees. Now, if we are to calculate the volt ampere, remember that volt ampere is P plus minus JQ. It has the real component and imaginary component, no? Medyo pasintabi muna sa ating mga master kasi advanced mathematics to. Medyo higher math na po kasi ito, no? Pagbigyan naman natin yung ating mga BSEE students natin, no? So, we have here the S. S is equal to, no? Kumbaga, yung advanced mathematics po kasi, ano na yun eh? Dapat may knowledge ka dun sa calculus, no? Medyo higher. Ito na po yung last subject, no? Ng engineering sa math, no? Last math subject to. So, our S is equal to V multiplied by I. Take a look here. Take a look. If you see a negative here, if you see negative, no? Well, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng knowledge sa ating mga master, no? Sa ating mga electrician, pwede kayong mag-join, no? Magkakaroon kami ng math proficiency course online. So, later, I will discuss that with you. Okay? So, January 4 ang simula po namin. No? Pwede kayong mag-enroll doon. Para maintindihan nyo yung mga dinidiscuss ko dito sa mathematics. Kasi, ano na po kagad ito? Application kagad kasi yung ginagawa natin. Dapat magsimula tayo sa simula talaga. So, okay. So, take a look here. Okay? This is a negative, no? If you have a negative current, meaning that is a lagging power factor, that is lagging. Okay? Lagging means inductive. 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 Remember, in alternating current circuit, it has three very important triangles. What are these three triangles? They have all the same angle. Take note. There may have different sides. Possible, iba-iba yung side. Posible yon. Pero yung angle nila, iisa lang yon. No? This is the impedance triangle, resistance, and reactance. Some portion, I believe, maintindihan din ng ating mga RMEs. No? Maintindihan nyo to. At least magkaroon kayo ng konting idea dito. No? Ito naman, meron din to sa RME, di ba? So, this is our apparent power, real power, and reactive power in AC circuits. Okay? Actually, sa RME review natin, partner, topic natin last time, AC circuits. No? So, this is our admittance triangle, admittance, conductance, and susceptance. No? Okay. Take note of this. Our Z, that is equal to the magnitude of Z plus minus theta. Our S is equal to the magnitude of S plus minus theta. Our Y is equal to the magnitude of Y plus minus theta. See? And then, I will add for the current. The current is equal to the magnitude of the current, cis of plus minus theta of the current. That is quite different. No? The theta here is the theta of the current. No? Maring iba ito kumpara sa tatlo na to. But this tree has all the same angle. If this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 and this is also 30. Okay? So please take note of this. Okay? Please take note of this. Take a look here. No? This is admittance, reciprocal of impedance. If you have this as positive, that is capacitive. If this is negative, that is inductive. Take note. Inductive. And also this. Remember, in admittance, in apparent power, and in current, always remember, if that is positive, that is capacitive. The nature is capacitive. If you have negative, 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 that is inductive. No? Inductive. Load. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yun ha. Pag positive, capacitive. Di ba magkatunog? Pag positive, capacitive. Pag negative, inductive. Inductive load. Okay? Okay. Always remember, if that is positive, that is capacitive. Positive, capacitive, positive, capacitive, positive, capacitive. Did you get that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. What is yes? Yes, sir. Bisaya eh. Kaya yes, sir. Okay. If that is positive, meaning that is capacitive. This is what I'm trying to say. If that is negative, that is inductive. You see? Pag positive, capacitive. Pag negative, inductive. So, tandaan nyo yun, ha? Pero pagdating sa impedance, magkabaliktad po yan. Ang positive sa impedance, ito ay inductive. Tandaan nyo, pagdating sa impedance, baliktad, no? Ibang usapan yan, no? Sa impedance, pag negative ang angle mo, capacitive yon. Pero, sa tatlong ito, admittance, kuryente, the current, and apparent power, if that is positive, that is capacitive. Positive, capacitive. Okay? Magkatunog, di ba? Positive, capacitive. Okay? So, di pa natin nasasagot yung tanong. Okay. Dinidiscuss muna natin yung mga basic principle niya. Medyo mahaba po kasi ipaliwanag to eh. So, the question here is simply, what is the watts? Okay? What is the watts? We have to get our S. Okay? Our voltage is positive 10. Okay? Is positive 10. And this is negative 21.93. Let us have in vector form. What do I mean in vector form? Where is the voltage? Our voltage is at positive 10 degrees. Take a look. This is the positive 10 degrees. That is our voltage E. Please listen, REE student, BSEE student, REE reviewees, please listen. So, if we have A, negative 21, no? For current. Let's say this is our current. For voltage, what is that? 10 degrees. Positive 10 degrees. For current, it is negative. Of course, if that is negative, that should rotate in clockwise direction. If that is positive angle, that will rotate in a counterclockwise direction based from trigonometry. Okay? So this is negative 21.93. degrees. See? Negative 21.93 degrees. Okay? But where is the phase difference? The phase difference is this. That is the angle between the total voltage and total current. Theta phase difference. Looking from this vector diagram, what is our phase difference? Theta phase difference, take note, that is simply our theta, which is our angle here. Which is our angle in the impedance, also known as the impedance angle, power angle, admittance angle. They mean all the same. Okay. The phase difference between the voltage and current is how much? What is the dimension or size of this? That is 10. Kitang-kita naman, tingnan nyo mabuti. That is 10. The magnitude is 10. But what is the magnitude of this? We have to add this, plus 21.93. Right? So the answer here is 31.93 degrees. That is the angle theta. There is an alternative way for this. By formula. Our theta is equal to theta leading minus theta lagging. Theta lagging. Okay? Always remember that the more positive is the more leading. Who is leading? Sino nauuna? The more positive. Sino yon? 10. Positive 10. Minus. According to the formula, that should be minus. Minus the theta lagging, which is our negative 21.93 degrees. So therefore, 10 minus minus is plus. So again, also our answer is that will become plus, right? Negative, negative is positive. So that will become 10 plus 21.93 degrees. So the answer will be 31.93 degrees. You see? 31.93 degrees. Okay? Okay? So that will be our phase difference. Now, looking here, our S is equal to voltage times current. If we are going to directly solve this, we will send this to Emmanuel, no? Yung mismong nagtanong, no? If he is not present there, no? So, because he is our reviewee, no? But it's to our viewers, no, it's not necessarily that you are our student or enrollee so that you can send question. No, not necessarily. No. It's just that, of course, our student are sending their question also. So we also want to serve them, of course. So we have our voltage, 120. If we are just directly solve this, take a look. This is positive 10 degrees multiplied by the current, which is 17, then bar angle negative 21.93 degrees. What will happen? Take a look here. What will happen here? Mode 1 in your calculator, 120 times 17. So the answer is 2040. 2040. Bar angle. Okay, according to advanced mathematics, what will happen here? That will become 10 minus 21.93 degrees. What will happen here? What is the effect? Okay. That will just become 10 minus 21.93. So, the answer would be negative 11.93, of course. No? Oh, minus 10 nga pala yun. Oh, positive. Ito naman, negative. That's why this will become negative. You see, is this correct? The answer is no. The angle is not correct. that is a wrong angle. We already know the angle. The answer must be 31.93. I mean, this must be 31.93. But how I will make it as 31.93, sir? This is a formula from electrical engineering books. Okay? So this is our formula. No? Okay. So we have here our 10. No? We have here our 10. Okay? We have our 10. No? And we have here our this is our total voltage, our total current here. Okay? So, we have here, what is the nature of our circuit here? By the way, is that inductive or capacitive? If that is resistive, that should give a zero angle. Okay? I will get first the impedance. I'll show you the impedance. I will go back there. Mahaba lang po talaga ipaliwanag to. V over I. What is our voltage? 120. Bar angle, positive 10 degrees. What is our total current? 17. Bar angle, negative 21.93. So therefore, our Z will be what? From advanced engineering mathematics, this is 120. So you have to divide it by 17. So that is equal to 7.06. And this is 10. Okay, so we have to subtract this because that is a rule in advanced mathematics. If you are dividing, the angle must be subtracted. This will become 10 minus, that will become plus. I mean, 10 minus 21.93. Minus is positive. So that will become plus. Therefore, the answer will become positive, but 31.93, of course. Again, we said that if the angle here are positive, please close up this portion. If the angle here is positive, that is inductive. Therefore, the nature of our circuit is inductive. That is inductive. That is the nature of our circuit. That is inductive. Take a look here. This is what we call the voltage conjugate method. Voltage conjugate. This is a very deep discussion. Okay? This is for REE reviewees already. Okay? Voltage conjugate. Okay? So, we have here this, a symbol of B, we have a voltage conjugate. So, we have here our S that's equal to B. What do we mean by voltage conjugate? We have to reverse the polarity of the voltage. So, this is 120 bar angle. If that is positive 10, make it negative 10 degrees. Multiplied by the current, which is 17 bar angle, negative 21.93 degrees. There you can have now the advanced mathematics principle. If you are multiplying, you have to multiply the magnitude of 120 and 17. How much is this? 120 times 17, that is equal to 2,040. 2,040. And then bar angle, of course, negative, and this is also negative. By algebra, okay, you have to press your negative 10. If you are multiplying, you have to add. Plus, of course, that should be negative 91.93. So the answer now will be negative 31.93 degrees. So this is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Okay? You see, they have now the same angle. You see, they have now the same angle here. Okay, so parehas na po silang angle dito. No? You see, 31.93. Then let us just convert this into rectangular form. This is because this is in polar form. Okay, that is 2040, okay, bar angle, mode 2 in your calculator. 2040 shift bar angle, so negative 31.93. Okay, then shift 2, 4. 2, 4. Press shift 2, 4. Okay. You just have to input this, mode 2 in your calculator, then input this, then shift 2, 4. Then make it shift 2, 4. Okay, so this is shift 2, 4. So we have here 1,731.34 minus 1,078.92i. So because this is imaginary component, no, in complex number, this I represent our Q, and this represent our P. Remember that. Okay? So, if this is our P, therefore, our answer is letter, that is 1731. The answer will be letter A. 1731. No? That is a long journey. Okay? You see? Well, this is for REE licensure exam. No? So, from time to time, we will solve also board questions from REE. No? REE board exam. No? Hindi naman puro pang RME yung ating dinidiscuss po dito. No? But, please bear with us sa ating pong mga electricians, kung meron man, mga technicians na connected po, no? Kasi sa ngayon, di pa natin mahiwalay, no? Yung ating REE and RME mentoring. So, for the meantime, ganito po muna tayo, no? Okay? So, from time to time, we'll be answering, no? Para naman mapagbigyan naman natin yung ating mga BSEE student, no? Not only technology or technicians, okay? So, that is my answer to the question of Emmanuel. No? Thank you.